All around the production.
This is hip-hop. Your motherfucking hand. This is hip-hop. Let's get it on. We don't wanna hear that weak shit no more. This is hip-hop. Your motherfucking hand. Where the fuck you at? This is hip-hop.
Oo, download lang ang beat ko, pero nilupit ko. Dahil yan sa speed ko, wala pa yung skit ko. My peers like queers, they only get mad. Masyado na ako nasad sa paggawa mo ng bad. Segundo lang ang kaya mo, di mo kaya pag 4. Sa segundo makakaya ko kung paano ilapaso. Nagalit ako, lalo tumitindi. Ako taga-ubos ng mga tangang di makaintindi. Di bale, ayos lang, wala na akong pake. Para sa maliliit na mahilig magmalaki. Malaking kahangalan ang pagiging garapal. Yung mukha mo makapal para kinulang sa sampal. At ikaw lang yung abnormal, huwag ka naman damay. Pinipilit mo tugmaan, di mo naman bagay. Mike, di ka pa nasanay sa pesting mga anay. Huwag mo na kasing patulan, baka magsubo sa nalay.
This is hip-hop. Your motherfucking hand. This is hip-hop. Let's get it on. We don't wanna hear that weak shit no more. This is hip-hop. Your motherfucking hand. Where the fuck you at? This is hip-hop. I'm something like Einstein. E equals MC squared plus my rhymes. Nerd around, spinning whatever crosses my mind. I ask for punch or wine, and you can ask for twice. Spread them legs, I probably think twice. Not giving you both, but giving you a slice. Rhapsodize, yeah, with great enthusiasm. When it comes to music, man, I'm so awesome. The Shakespeare over time, I express my poems. You're rapping with your crew, but you're still lonesome. Your songs are garbage, it's such a low sum. Why not just become a fan? You know I'm wholesome. Multitasking, cooking, noodle soup, I got the munching. Shipping on that Cali fruit. I'm not a dork nor a G, but reacts like a ghoul. Poke your eye with a fork, jab your mouth, lose a tooth. This is hip-hop. Your motherfucking hand. This is hip-hop. Let's get it on. We don't wanna hear that weak shit no more. Your motherfucking hand. Where the fuck you at?
I got this. Yeah man, check me out, check me out. Positivity strong, so I'm fully focused. Don't bite me if you bite like goldfish. You're so fake like a bitch with false hits. I'm sick like a paralyzed dolphin. I write poems, you can say they're rude. I'm so damn fresh like apple juice. Beefing me is something you don't wanna choose. I'll make you look bad like duck duck goose. See me, I'm always winning. I'm B-Star, aka the kid they call Philly. I don't know how to rap, no, I'm just kidding. I'm killing the track with j-roq and Smiddy. U.R.P is the group we're in. Don't be mad at me cause you're a virgin. Yo, fuck my haters, I'm determined. Like DJ Khaled, all I do is win.
Your motherfucking hand.